remember every bone in my body was like, stay in Tel Aviv, what are you doing? And once you do it, every bone in your body is like, you did the right decision.
Once you do it, then you know your heart is telling you this is the right thing, this is what you want to do.
I guess it's all about to stay in your comfort zone or not to stay in your comfort zone. I didn't want the fear of getting out of my comfort zone to define my life, to define who I'm gonna be.
Yeah, because it's harder to do something like this in our age. I mean, we want to have children, but we can have children traveling.
What?
We can have children traveling.
It's so far from us yet, but I guess I wanna raise my children at least in the beginning in like a stable place, you know.
We'll figure out when the road comes, when the time comes.
You will figure it out.
Your face will figure it out.
I don't know who you're gonna have kids with,
I
but
can have kids with anyone I want.
oh yeah, with Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can have kids with him.
Prefer Jude Law.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brad Pitt is not my type of
Who
guy.
cares what you preferred?
I wouldn't want a children with him, actually.
You just said that you want children with
No,
Jude
no,
Law.
I just remember that he's bald.